Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry, class 10, exercise 11.4, problem number 789. In the previous video, we have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problems using trigonometric identities. Click this I button to learn Introduction to Trigonometry and learn from beginning of exercise number 1. Let us see the solution. Here it is given by prove that. So prove that means we need to take LHS, we need to take RHS one, we need to show. So here LHS, what is given LHS? Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. It is of the form A plus B whole square, means A square means sin square A plus B square means cosec square A plus 2AB, 2 into sin A into cosec A plus, here it is of the form A plus B whole square only. A means cos square A plus B means sec square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A. Now this sin square A and cos square A I am writing nearly. So sin square A plus cos square A. Remaining one, this is cosec square A plus this sec square A I am writing nearly. Sec square A plus this as it is 2 sin A cosec A plus 2 cos A into sec A. So we know the formula. What that formula? Identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This identity we know. And here this one I am changing. So cosec theta equal 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta equal 1 by sin theta. This one also I am changing. So sec theta equal 1 by cos theta. Now that equation becomes sin square A plus cos square A value is 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 into sin A into cosec. Cosec means 1 by sin A plus 2 into cos A into sec. Sec means 1 by cos A. Here sin A and sin A. Cos A and cos A get cancelled. Now 1 plus cosec square A plus sec square A plus 2 is remaining. Here 2 is remaining, here also 2 is remaining. We know the formula. What that formula? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal 1. This cot square theta you can transpose to right. So cosec square theta equal 1 plus cot square theta we are getting. Next one more identity also we know, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal 1. This tan square you can transpose to right. Sec square theta equal 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus cosec square A. Cosec square A means 1 plus cot square A we can write. Sec square A. Sec square A means we need to take 1 plus tan square A. So now we can add the constants. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So here what is RHS? 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A is the RHS. So LHS equal RHS. Hence proved. This is the problem, very important problem for 4 marks. Question number 8. Simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Let us see the solution. 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b. So what is the identity? A square minus b square is the identity. So now we can write that is 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. That equal 1 square means 1. 1 minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Already we know the identity. Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. This cos square you can transpose. Sin square A equal 1 minus cos square A. That equal 1 minus cos square theta. We can take sin square theta. So sin square theta of 1 plus cot square theta. Now you can multiply sin square theta into 1, sin square theta plus sin square theta as it is, sin square into cot square theta, sin square theta into cot square theta. That equal sin square theta plus sin square theta into cot. What is cot? Cot theta equal cos theta by sin theta. So here square is there, we can take square, means cos square theta by sin square theta. So sin square theta get cancelled. So we cancel afterwards what we left here. So sin square theta plus cos square theta only left. We know the identity. What that identity? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So here we got it 1. So which identity we used? Sin square A plus cos square A equal 1. We used this identity. Question number 9. If sec theta minus tan theta equal to P, then what is the value of sec theta plus tan theta? Here given sec theta minus tan theta value is given by P. We need to find sec theta plus tan theta. Let us see the solution. Here given sec theta minus tan theta equal to P, we need to find sec theta plus tan theta value we need to find. So given sec theta minus tan theta equal to P, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. It is of the form a square minus b square. So a square minus b square means we can write a plus b into a minus b type we can write. So a means sec theta plus b means tan theta into a minus b means sec theta minus tan theta equal to 1. So here sec theta minus tan theta value is P, means this as it is only we can take. So sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta value is given by P equal 1. This P you can transpose. So sec theta plus tan theta equal 1 by P. So here given sec theta minus tan theta equal to P. We got it here. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by P. We have seen how to solve the problems by using trigonometric identities. In the next video, we will see same type of problems by using trigonometric identities. Do comment in the comment box if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.